Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070050 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then click on Settings. Afterwards, click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and just click on it. Now click on Other Troubleshooters, and lastly select the Run button next to Windows Update. Windows will now try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to check your date and time settings. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type date and then select date and time settings from the search results. Now in here, if something is wrong with your automatic zone, you can just turn it off and then select the proper time zone, or even more than that, you can toggle off the set the time automatically and then you can just change it manually. From here on, just choose the right time. But usually this shouldn't be a problem because if you have everything set to automatic, it should work as usual. But there might be cases when this has to be set up manually, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to do a system file checker scan and a DISM scan. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window, make sure to copy-paste each command from the description below, press enter after each command, and then wait until the scan is finished. You can then check if the problem still persists. Next, you can also reset the Windows Update component. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, make sure to copy-paste each command once again, one by one, press enter, then follow up until you finish the list, then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.